Think you've got what it takes to keep the Army National Guard running? Then step into the world of the 91C Utilities Equipment Repair and be the power behind the mission. As a 91C, you'll learn how to repair and maintain the critical systems that keep missions moving, no matter the environment. You'll work with heating and cooling systems, diesel-powered generators, electrical systems. You won't just fix things. You'll be the reason the lights come back on and the mission stays on track.
If the equipment's down, you're not mission capable. So you have to be mission capable, so that's where we jump in. We get things fixed, so that way the mission can be completed.
And the real payoff could be in your civilian life. As a 91C, you'll gain in-demand job skills that translate into high-paying careers. Want to power your future, build a real-world skill set, and serve with purpose? Then it's time to step up as a 91C Utilities Equipment Repair in the Army National Guard. Go to NationalGuard.com to get started today.